Hello, my name's Simon Foster, and I'd like to introduce you to the craft of Photoshop, developing landscapes. So why did I do this course? It's because I was talking to someone on a Photoshop forum and they told me, look, I'm interested in landscape photography and I've learned various different Photoshop tools from various different tutorials on YouTube, but how do I actually enhance an image start to finish? And I thought, actually, they've got a good point. So often you learn a tool here or a technique there, but there are so few tutorials out there which take an image from start to finish, where you go through every step involved in the process of developing a great photo. So here's a course designed with exactly that in mind. I will take you through the development of a series of landscape photos start to finish. Now we'll usually start by adjusting a RAW file using the Adobe Camera RAW filter. Then we'll go into the main Photoshop workspace and we'll enhance the photo further. We'll go through every step needed to bring it to a final polished state. Every file that you see is available as a download so that you can follow along. This course does assume you have some basic knowledge of Photoshop, but I'll also help you there. I've included the notes from The Craft of Photoshop Solid Foundations, which can help to familiarize yourself with the tools we use. And by the end of this course, you will have seen and followed along with a series of effective workflows, start to finish. You will gain the confidence to tackle your own images with proven industry standard techniques, and one day soon, you may be standing next to someone who says, wow, look at that photo, what a brilliant landscape photo that is. And then you can turn around and say, well, actually, I did that. The Craft of Photoshop, developing landscapes, enroll now, and I'll show you how to make your photos really shine. I'm Simon Foster, and I will see you on the course.